Welcome to the world of online learning. I am Dr. G.K. Viju, Professor, University of Garden City, Khartoum, Sudan. We at GK Online Learning Tutorial emphasize on the topics from software engineering, project management, quality management, strategic management, and mathematics. Today we are going to discuss the topics from software engineering. Please subscribe to our channel for continuous support. The next topic is ISO standards. ISO stands for International Standards Organizations, is a consortium of 63 countries established to formulate and foster standardization. ISO standards are internationally agreed by experts. Think of them as a formula that describes the best way of doing something. It could be about making a product, managing a process, delivering a service, or supplying materials. Standards cover a huge range of activities. The International Organization for Standardization is an independent, non-governmental organization, the members of which are the standard organizations of the 164 member countries. Sorry, here I mentioned the 63 countries, 164 countries. It is the world's largest developer of voluntary international standards, and it facilitates world trade by providing common standards among nations. More than 20,000 standards have been set, covering everything from manufacturing products and technology of food safety, agriculture, and healthcare. Use of the standards helps in the creation of products and services that are safe, reliable, and of good quality. The standards help businesses increase productivity while minimizing errors and waste. By enabling products from different markets to be directly compared, they facilitate companies in entering new market and assist in the development of global trade on a fair basis. The standards also serve to safeguard customers and end users of products and services, ensuring that certified products conform to the minimum standard set internationally. There are three official languages of the ISO. One is English with Oxford spelling, French, and Russian. International standards are developed by ISO Technical Committee and subcommittees by a process with 6 steps. Step number 1, proposal stage. Stage number 2, preparatory stage. Number 3, committee stage. Number 4, inquiry stage. Number 5, approval stage. And number 6, publication stage. So let us discuss what is ISO certification. ISO certification certifies that a management system or manufacturing process, service, or documentation procedures has all the requirements for standardization and quality assurance. ISO is an independent, non-governmental international organization that develops standards to ensure the quality, safety, and efficiency of the product, services, and systems. ISO certifications exist in many areas of industry, from energy, management, and social responsibility to medical devices and energy management. ISO standards are in place to ensure consistency. Each certification has separate standards and criteria and is classified numerically. Quality management standards cover everything an organization does to manage its processes and activities. Implementing a quality management standard offers benefits for companies across industries, regardless of their size. ISO international standards are the most widely used quality management standards around the world. ISO 9001, that is used for quality management. More than 1 million businesses around the world are certified to ISO 9001. Obtaining this standard shows your commitment to providing the highest quality products or services to your customers. Getting ISO 9001 certified or certification can help you in reducing quality problems, increasing cost savings and productivity, enhance customer satisfaction, create greater demands for your products and services, make your business more competitive, make better decisions, and improve employee morale. Areas covered by ISO: management, responsibility, quality systems, contract review, design control, document control, purchasers supplied products, product identification and traceability, process control, inspection and testing, inspection, measuring and testing department, inspection and test status, non-conformity control, corrective actions, handling, storage, packing and delivery, quality records, international quality audits, training, services and statistical techniques, etc. Drawbacks of ISO 9000. It adds cost but not value. It causes over certification. It needs lot of internal audits. It increases involvement of government. It is not foolproof or hallmark of quality. And the benefits? It is internationally accepted series of quality standards. It helps in achieving consistency, economy, and cost effectiveness. It increases customer confidence. It reduces the need for inspection by the buyers. The ISO certification by a company is a source of motivation. This is the end of the session. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you are having any queries, please mail to me to the mail ID given in the slide. Thank you.